guys, how's it going? New video from Passive Passion Online Income, where I thought about a random thought in regards to the topic of money. Oh, by the way, in case if you guys are wondering where I am in the beautiful Bali. You see the background? These are beautiful rice fields that you see on my right, and here you can see the beautiful rice terrace fields. Hold on, let me show it to you. Okay, so what I wanted to discuss and tell you guys today is that I was thinking about this. Thought that, if money is everything, if having money is something that's going to make you or give you the guarantee of being happy forever, it isn't necessary, mainly because what people don't realize is when it comes to having a balanced life, it's very important that one needs to ensure stability, not just with their businesses but also in their relationships. And having said that, it's also important to enjoy and take breaks from your stressful and busy lives, no matter what field you're involved in. Maybe you might just be an employee, maybe you might be an entrepreneur, but whatever it is, it's very important to take short breaks once in a while and enjoy the money that you're earning, because you're not going to take all this money and go into the grave, right? So it's important to take short breaks with your family or your significant other and travel to places which you or your other half wants to explore. I mean, there's so many beautiful places around the world, guys, which you need to visit, explore, and be part of the culture, even if it's just for a few weeks, few days, a few months. That's the beauty of life. So, long story short, keep taking those short breaks, keep pampering yourself. Don't take life too seriously, and did not think that money is everything. Of course, money is important because it's money that revolves this world. It's money that keeps everything functioning on a day-to-day basis. But having said that, it's also important to take care of yourself and give you that so-called indulgence or pamper yourself wherever it is necessary. Okay, so let me go and enjoy this beautiful view and the beautiful paddy fields of Bali. You guys take care. God bless.